Are you still processing employee reimbursements manually? The problem is not only that it's slow and inconsistent, but also that it's draining valuable time from your company's finance and HR teams. What if I told you that you can build your own AI agent in under 3 minutes that can read receipts, check them against your company's policies, and instantly approve or deny expenses? Well, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a refund and expense AI agent on StackAI. And the best part, we'll do it without writing a single line of code. Let's get started. Click Create New Project and open the Workflow Builder. Then name your agent. And here is our StackAI canvas. First step is going to be to drag and drop a file input node, so users can later upload receipts, images, PDFs, and other files. Make sure to enable OCR, optical character recognition, and advanced data extraction. This will enable the agent to easily read handwriting and screenshots. Then, in the AI node, choose your LLM provider, your model, and write clear instructions. In instructions, you should give the agent its job description, what exactly it should do. And in the prompt, identify the sources the agent should use to make the decision, which are your file input node with your receipt and user message node. Next, from the left side menu, drag and drop a knowledge base node right after your LLM. This is where your company's refund and expense policies live. Now, add a second AI model. You may have a question: why do I need 2 AI models? Well, in this case, the job of the second LLM is to determine whether the total reimbursement request can be approved based on employees' coverage and the company's policies. And same here, you should choose your AI model, write clear instructions, and in the prompt, make sure to reference your receipt and knowledge base so the agent knows exactly where to look. And one thing I'm gonna do here with the second LLM, in the Tools section, I'm gonna include knowledge base with my Google Drive so the agent can get the most up-to-date policy information. Make sure you have an output node for every one of these 3 actions that your AI agent performs. And don't forget to connect all of your nodes the way it's shown on the screen. Now click Publish, Export, and then choose Form as your interface. In the drop-down menu, choose Expense Categories so users can easily classify the receipts. Now copy the link, open it in the new tab, and you can share it with your HR and finance teams. This AI-powered refund and expense agent built on StackAI handles everything: parsing, policy checking, decision-making, so no more bottlenecks, no guesswork, just clear, accurate reimbursements.